Ahead of the world premiere of the new Kodiaq, Škoda is unveiling the completely redesigned interior featuring a digital cockpit, a head-up display and a 13-inch freestanding infotainment display. The DSG gear selector has been moved to the steering column, now giving front passengers more space, while a roomy central console offers more storage. Enhancing onboard operation, the customizable Škoda Smart Dials allow for easy control. Each rotary push button provides intuitive access to various vehicle functions, and the digital display ensures a quick, comprehensive overview at any time. Tell me in the comments how do you like the interior of the new Škoda Kodiaq, and stay tuned for the full reveal.